What is the intellectual revolution all about? The term intellectual revolution is used to refer to Greek speculation about the nature in the period before Socrates, roughly 600 to 400 BCE. Hence, the alternative, technical terms are pre-Socratic or non-theological or first philosophy. Bear in mind that the philosophy in question has little to do with ethics, and much more to do with what we would call physics or logic. There are three characteristic features of this form of speculation. First, the world is a natural whole, that is, supernatural forces do not make things happen. Second, there is a natural order, that is, there are laws of nature. Third, humans can discover those laws. I will develop these concepts more fully in class. Although the texts have been translated as prose, much of what survives is actually verse. All of these pro-Socratic philosophers reached maturity in the colonies, East and West. Was the colonial, who are the key figures in the revolution. During the American Revolution, a number of men and women rose to prominence. George Washington, Abigail Adams, Benjamin Franklin, Patrick Henry, Alexander Hamilton, Thomas Jefferson, and countless others distinguished themselves by their courage, patriotism, wisdom, and talent. How did the revolution advance modern science and scientific thinking at the time? Roots of the scientific revolution. The scientific revolution, which emphasized systematic experimentation as the most valid research method, resulted in developments in mathematics, physics, astronomy, biology, and chemistry. These developments transformed the views of society about nature. The revolution controversial is a British debate over the French Revolution, lasting from 1789 through 1795. Won a pamphlet war begun in earnest after the publication of Edmund Burke's Reflections on the Revolution in France 1790, which surprisingly supported the French aristocracy. Because he had supported the American colonists in their rebellion against Great Britain, his views sent a shockwave through the country. Many writers responded, defending the revolution in France, among them Thomas Paine, Mary Wollstonecraft, and William Godwin.